Gonna do some chicken, peppers, onions, and pineapple on my wok. It turned out amazingly well on rice or quinoa. Here's my brand new Phoenix cooker from Arizona BBQ Outfitters. You really have to be organized. All the links are in the description of the video. I got my brine chicken and pineapple and peppers and onions ready to go. I got my sauces ready to go. I mean, you have to have all this within arm's reach. There's some sugar and some cornstarch that I'll be adding. Getting it going with my brined chicken. I used Meat Church's bird baptism for a day. Cubed up the chicken and marinated them in the fridge in a briner bucket. There we go. Now it's getting hotter. Really love that silicone mat, man. It keeps stuff organized, and boy, do you have to be organized with wok cooking. Everything happens fast. Picked a really windy day to be cooking. That wasn't fun. Here come the peppers, onions. I have drained the chicken out already, but again, gotta be organized. Added in some sugar. Do some cornstarch. It's really hard to film and do all this with two hands. And then once you add the cornstarch, you gotta be pretty quick. It starts to thicken up. If it gets too thick, you can always add some water. I've got dark soy, oyster sauce, and a little bit of hoisin sauce in there. At the end, throw in the pineapples. Man, they get atomic hot. Throw in a little bit of water that down. Loosen that cornstarch sauce a little bit. But you gotta stay on it. You gotta keep stuff moving. It will pump on you. But the Wok Hei, man, this turned out amazing. Look at that. Even Yoda's impressed. Loving this wok, loving this setup. Wife likes quinoa, I did white rice. It's tremendous. Brought it in a bowl, plated it up like a champ. She said it's one of her favorite Chinese meals so far, so I can't complain about that. Enjoyed the music? We'll see you on the next cook.